once we're down into this bottom quartile, right? Understand this, right? The public has been destroyed. Well, you guys even heard Colin came on the call here today and said, yep, the FTX got me. Sentiment is going to be stunningly negative. Unfortunately, what does this last line say? And you, as market participants, smart money, you have to understand this. Do institutions buy up markets or do they buy down markets? They buy down markets. So we're now, ironically enough, into the point of the cycle where the Goldman Sachs's, the Joey Diamonds, right? All of them are going to be coming in and they want to buy in size. But if they want to buy $1 billion of Bitcoin, is there going to be somebody, if they placed a market buy order to buy $1 billion of Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin price going to do? It's going to just go crazy ass to the upside. Woo! Right? They'll just clean out the order book, right? This is, in fact, a level 3 program. We talk about the trading the DOM. But really, this is kind of like level 1 stuff. So how are they going to get filled in size? How do they get filled in that? Like they want to buy $1 billion. Now, I suppose $1 trillion, whatever the those numbers mean. How do they do it? And the answer is they have to get you to sell. They have to, they might even make it legally like you have to sell. You have no choice. If you don't sell, you are breaking the law. And of course, you're all good, legal, law-abiding citizens, right? They might do that. They did it in the gold market. The banksters got all the U.S. public to sell all of their gold. Did the public want to sell their gold? No. They were legally obligated because the banksters controlled the government. So just understand, it could be that bad. They're going to sucker you into buying 1,000,000 miles away from what value is. And how ironic. Price is now coming down into value. Do we need to see what value looks like? Here's value. Thank you, Shane. Great script. There's value. So we are now coming back down into value. And what is the 1% trying to get you to do? And you tell me, do these words kind of describe what's going on in this space? Panic? Capitulation? Anger. Are we at the anger stage yet? I don't know. Still thinking we're kind of like in this phase right here. I would love for us to sort of be over here. As an old broker, and of course, I had other brokers who were mentors of mine and stuff. Of course, so we always sort of talk in funny little phrases. But if you are here in this cycle, but you would like to be here, what do we have to do? And it's going to be tough, folks. It's not going to be easy. What do we have to do? No, I wouldn't do that. I mean, it's fine to trade setups. If you want to trade flipping, I'm going to short here, I'm going to buy back here. It looks like there's a cute little W here. You can trade back and forth. But the most important thing you have to do here is you have to be patient.